afternoon. Not sure if anyone will get on, but it's okay. You can watch in a replay if you need to. It is a windy today. Alright, I wanted to get on now. I've done my makeup today. I wanted to show how I could go from a daytime look to a nighttime look. I know I do one at a time, and usually I don't get a chance to do like a nighttime look. So those of you going to Christmas concert or Christmas party or whatever, this could be helpful to you if you wanted to spice it up a little. So this morning I used 2 cream shadows, and the first one I used this morning was Extravagant, which is a really pretty metallic kind of a gold. And then I put Tenacious on next, and I focused the gold on the top of my lid, and then I focused the Tenacious more in the corner towards the middle part of my lid. And then on the corners, I used our anniversary palette with the color Enthusiastic, which is this one on the end. So it's a black base of the shimmery, glittery gold color. So it's black with gold speckles in it, basically. And then I used our mineral concealer to highlight under my brow and in the corner of my eye. So I wanted to just kind of make this look a little more dramatic on my eyes. So I'm going to add some Magnificent, which is our black matte, and I wanted to really kind of focus in here in the corner in like an L shape or a V shape right here. And then I'm also going to put some eyeliner on in Perfect, which is the black as well. And I'll touch up my mascara and put a bold lip on, and I'm ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to take my cream shadow brush and I'm going to dip it in Magnificent. I'm going to dig in there a little bit. It's with our matte colors, they tend to get kind of they're not quite so moist and buoyant. They're a little more dry. So if you need to, you can grab some rose water and spray a squirt or 2 on it and on your brush, and then get it. I'm going to focus here in the corner, kind of do like a V or an L shape. And notice I am not swiping, I'm dabbing lightly. I'm going to have to grab my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And I'll do that to the other eye. Right now, our kudos or our special this month for the month of December are 3 cream shadows for $59, which is a 26% savings. So if you're in need or want to try some cream shadows, now is the time to purchase 3 because they're phenomenal. I love them. They're so easy to use. You can even use them with your finger to put them on if you want. They start as a mousse or a cream, and then they dry to a shadow. So once they dry, you can use them with other kinds of shadow. You can blend them out with a blending brush, and it's perfect. Okay, don't freak out yet. I'm going to take my crease brush, and I'm going to do circles and feather that out a little bit. and make it so that the lines aren't quite so harsh. I'm trying to be somewhat quiet because my daughter is over on the couch and she slept the entire way through my oral surgeon's appointment today and was super excited about it. And now she's just relaxing on the couch watching her iPad. And if she finds out that I'm doing makeup, she'll be over here in a hot second. Okay, so I have just, let's recap. I did my makeup this morning and now I'm going to do a night look. I used Extravagant first, then I used Tenacious, and then just in the corners this morning I used my Addiction palette in the color Enthusiastic, which is very similar to Tenacious, and I thought that would be a good mixture, which turned out to be really good. And to make this more of a nighttime look, I added some more cream shadow in Magnificent, which is our matte black. And then I'm going to, and then I blended that out with my crease brush, okay? So now that I have that on the way I'd like it to be, I'm gonna add some shadow, not shadow, some eyeliner in the shade Perfect, which is our black. And I don't know which mirror. I'll try and do it in my phone. We'll see how this works. So just a nice thin line at the base of my lashes. I start from the outside and work to the middle, and then I do the exact opposite. So I start in the corner and work back out to the outside. And you can't see that. I can't do it. We'll have to do it in the hair. And then I'll add some to the bottom. More on the waterline than underneath my eye. You can also do it on the waterline on the top too if you want. And that just kind of deepens that, makes the eye look like it's deeper in your socket, I guess. To the side. Okay, so now I've got my mascara on, or my mascara. Why do I keep doing that? My liner, and I'm actually going to take that, the cream shadow brush where I had the Magnificent Black. I'm going to smudge it underneath with whatever is left over on my brush. Okay, so I'm going to brush out my eyelashes a little bit, and I'm going to apply another coat of Epic. Hi, Dawn. Okay. I will definitely have to get my mirror out for this. So I put a couple coats this morning of the Epic on, and now I'll just put one more on. So know that you don't have to rewash your entire face just to put a little bit more mascara on with Younique. You don't have to do that. It's pretty nice. I just take our little mascara comb and just comb right through them and then add more mascara to it. It's awesome. You could even do this with your 3D as well if you had 3D mascara. And I got a little mascara up there. But if you let it, look at that. It's crazy. If you let it dry, and then you just go and rub it, you can take a brush or a Q-tip or your finger even and just kind of play with it for a second. It comes right off. It's awesome. Stocking stuffers. Epic mascara. I'll even put a little more on the bottom too. Okay, so there's my eye for my nighttime. Now you can darken it up even more if you'd like, but I think this is a nice, tasteful level of evening look. So now I put some exfoliator on a little bit ago before I started because my lips got kind of dry today at school. So now I will just add, oh, our sugar scrub is awesome, by the way. It's I got the one that was in the gift to me bundles, so it's peppermint. It's nice. Okay, so I'm going to use the Opulence lipstick in Excessive, which is a really pretty red color, and since I'm wearing red in my scarf today, I figured that would be a really pretty shade. There you go. My nighttime, my daytime turned nighttime in just a few minutes. Pretty awesome. Now, I wanted to make sure that I told you or reminded you, if you're interested, there is a Glam Jam Facebook event starting tomorrow. It's in a secret group, so unless I add you, you won't be able to attend, but it's the 12th through the 18th, I think, and there will be 3 presenters a day doing presentations on different shh. There will be 3 different presenters a day doing either glamorous looks for the holiday season or more comfortable neutral looks that you could wear anytime, anywhere. So it's really exciting. You can meet lots of ladies that from my Team Flourish. I'm a part of Team Flourish, and there's some excellent tutorials to watch, some really great ladies to look and learn from. So if you would like to be a part of that, there is no obligation to purchase anything. It's completely free. You won't be bothered. It's purely entertainment, ladies. If you would like to be a part of that, just message me below or message me in Messenger, and I will get you added to that group. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If there's any of this makeup that you'd like to try or you want to order the kudos, let me know and I can send you a message and we will get you started. Thank you. Have a great day.